See, so I'm working and interested in neural networks, and I'm working on a playable post regarding neural networks. It's kind of like the parable of the polygons, like that Nikki Case did. My potential for greatness is that while other people say I should become a teacher and they say that I'm really creative, um, I say myself that no matter what level you put me in, I will beat it. Um, and that's also a way of saying how I am sometimes not great at all if you put me at a low level. Um, in the best case scenario, my obituary would say, "Here lies Melvin. His dream was to learn everything in the world since he was 7. Unfortunately, he didn't achieve that dream. Instead, he transformed education systems around the world to achieve it." Thank you.